Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close multiple trades on MT5. Okay, let's go. You see, on this uh, trades, you have to like go to your depending on which type of MetaTrader you're using. Here is called Toolbox, and in some version of MetaTrader, it is called Terminal. So depending on the version you're using or your broker, or depending on whichever, is the same thing where you have your order, your open orders, just go there. There you see symbol, ticket, time, type, volume, price, stop loss, take profit, and all that. You know, mind you, um, this I'm just using this as a demonstration because this is actually a demo account, so I just want to show you this. So if you notice again, you see that I have euro AUD, the same currency pairs. I have GBP JPY, the same currency pairs. GBP USD, same currency pairs. Silver XAG USD, silver, XAU USD, gold. So what you, if you want to like the like the silver trades are in my favor and I want to close all of them at once, okay, I will just like go to silver. I'll right click it and then go to bulk operation. You see, I can close all of the position at once. I can close all the profitable no matter what currency pairs I'm trading on. I can close all losing positions no matter what currency pairs. I can close sell positions, sell all the positions, all my sell positions. I can close all of them. Then I can close all my silver positions. All my silver positions I can close. Then I can close all by if I have some people do hedge, right? They can open buy and sell positions. So here I can close all my sell silver positions. If you have a sell position and a buy position, you can close by buy position or sell position. So that's why. So I'm going to like close all my profitable. I can close by profitable position, as in the case of silver here. I can close by profitable positions. I can close by all silver positions. So I want to close by all silver positions, so I can just click close all silver positions. You can see that they are gone. So if I want to close all my profitable position, profitable, I want to close by profitable. I go there, go click on right click on any of the currency pairs and I go to bulk operation. Right click, sorry. I right click on any of the currency pairs. I go to bulk operation. I say close all profitable positions. So it's to close all my profitable position. You can see they are gone. So if I want to close all my losing position, I can just go right click on there and go to bulk operation and close losing positions. You see, all of them are gone. So that is just a simple way to just close all your orders, all your open multiple trades, in MT5. That is just how to close them at once. Thank you.